they like liquidity grabbed, and I was like, damn, I probably should have took profits here, right? And then I was looking at the time. I was like, all right, let's just wait for that 10 minutes of terror. So they liquidity grabbed. We came back up here, but we never even got back up to this level. So I was like, all right, we're straight. And then I just see it start to dump, right? So, I mean, we cracked 520. I took profits. So three trades in total. 2 green trades, 1 red trade, but my red trade was very small loss because I had a tight stop on it because I was anticipating. And again, it's just better to wait for confirmation, in my opinion. Oh yeah, on Meta, again, using it as an indicator, bro. Look, here's 9:30 market open on Meta right here. Look, we just dumped right off the open. 9 times out of 10, Meta's popping off the open. And when that happens, we usually have a bullish day, especially on the Qs or tech stocks in general. But look, right off the open, we just like pushed up for a second and just washed out and freaking went red on the day for a second. Put in that low 524. Yeah, we did trend up for a little bit, but we never could get back past this level here. And I'll show you. And another thing, so look, on Meta, we're clearly in a downtrend, and you could have, even as we push up and hit this is the same level. I'll show you in a second. The same level off the open where we pushed up to and rejected and sold off. This is that same level. And look, you could have even, every time we went up into that level, you could have just scalped or faded to the downside or just swung it down. Faded some puts all the way down from like what, 506 at 507 damn near. Look, yeah, the 507s. Look, high day 507.22. Or even the 506s or whatever strike, because the strikes on Meta are a little different. There's like not a strike for every dollar amount, but every time we pushed up into this trend, you could have just scalped it to the downside, especially on this last one going into the close. And that's kind of what I'm trying to show you. Like, I recorded this and I'm just trying to like go back over it, you know what I'm saying, after the fact. So you could see, look, that's where we pushed up to off the open. Right there, look, off the open, we hit this level and just washed out and never could break it back above it. Every time we're going up here, I mean, you could have faded, you know, some puts or something, or if you like to short or whatever. And then as we're in this downtrend, I noticed we were in a downtrend from like lunchtime to the end of the day. Look, every time we push up into that downtrend, we're just respecting it. Could have faded some puts or whatever, or, you know, shorted or whatever you like to do. You know what I'm saying? Every single time we hit that downtrend, we sold off. Hit it, sold off. Hit it, sold off. Hit it. This last time, hit that trend and VWAP, reject it and crack the 9 and everything. And remember, we're already underneath the 120. So that's one elevating factor. Yeah. And you could see it even a little clearly right there, more clearly. Let's see if I'm going to zoom in. Yeah, you see it? Right there. So look, every time we pushed up into this trend, we could have just faded whatever, either had some puts or swung some puts all the way down or scalped some to the downside every time. But I kind of felt like we're going to be bearish a little bit just because Meta dumped off the open. Again, I use it like an indicator, bro. It works. I'm not going to say it's going to work all the time because nothing works all the time. Nothing's 100% in the stock market, as we all know. But I'm just saying, like, whatever edge you can find, bro, you have to try to take advantage of it. Yeah, that was a nice one. And again, just those trades I took. You feel me? And that's it. Basically all I got, bro. Again, here's the SPY, bro. Look, every time we came up here and hit this 520.75s, we hit it, rejected, hit it, rejected, hit it, rejected. Tried to hold it, couldn't hold it. Had my alert set after we rejected it because remember, like, I had to stop out from anticipating us breaking out. I had the 521s at one point. I was like, all right, so obviously the long's not going to work, so I'm going to fade it. That's what I did. I set my alert, got the alert. Oh, we're back up here at near resistance. All right, let me grab those 520 puts and catch the fade. And that's what I did. Today was, I don't know, it was kind of a weird day. The price action was like, it was choppy, bro. Like, look, we were just trading within a range. So that's why I had that first green trade and then the second little red trade where I stopped out. I was like, all right, man, ain't really nothing going on. You know what I'm saying? We're just chopping around. But I was like, if we do happen to get back up here I know for sure that this is resistance because I had to stop out trying to go long there. So I was like, all right, I mean, if we do get back up here, I will try to fade because the long failed. So it's not that I'm getting every trade right. You know what I'm saying? Like this was a red trade when I tried to go long here. Once I figured out hey, this is resistance, it's not going to happen. Left my bias. I was long biased off the open, and then I tried to go long again. That failed. Flipped my bias to short and caught this fade. This from up here. This, and then this. And got out. Got out like right here. I mean, I wish I would have probably got out a little further, but again, I'm not trying to be greedy, bro. You feel me? Like my price target was 520. We hit it. We cracked it, and I got out. You know what I mean? Well, those were the trades I took and why I took them. Anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. All right. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe, hit the bell, and get the hell over to any one of my social media platforms where I upload content. Also, hit the bell and get the hell, over to those platforms, especially if you want to take advantage of that watch list, which gives you that edge. Brethren, peace.